need to assemble. Container ship. Ready. Filling. Container ship. Pump. We did it! Let's put the top part on. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. An island, right rudder. There is a coral reef ahead, right rudder. Hooray, we've sailed into the port. We have to assemble. Red barge! Don't stop. Let's load the materials into red barge. Let's drag the hook to the freight car to load materials into the ship. Ready. Let's add the windows and doors.